Hello, and thank you for contacting Wave Support. From your request, I see that your patient has some dimple veiling in the superior part of this fit. And if we look at your design, if we look at the 12 o'clock radial, and if we just kind of go around the clock dial, you see you have a reasonably good fit based on this type of cornea. These are always difficult to fit with this inferior cone. But if you look, you have a little bit of so what your goal is to do is see if you can get this lens to align a little bit better out here in the periphery. And one of the things that I might consider recommending for this patient is try switching over to tangential. Tangential will give you a slightly flatter fit, and tangential has a tendency to look a little bit more, or give a little bit more precise fitting in this peripheral part of the cornea. So once you do that, and I will also switch over here, put a little aspheric factor into this design, and now when you redesign, we'll give Wave a moment to catch up. Very good. Now when you look at this, you've got, if you go into each radial, you've got a very closely aligned lens, 360 degrees around this cornea. You've also noticed that this left inferior view of the quad view, this back surface of the lens looks very close to this front surface of the cornea. So this is a very nicely aligned lens, and of course you want to make sure you have enough edge clearance. You might even click up a little bit on that pink dot just to get a little bit more overall clearance, but I think this will help get that lens aligned more appropriately. Now another comment on the dimple veiling, if it's not causing a physiological problem or a comfort issue, you may not have to address it at all. With that said, good luck. I hope these tips help you out, and have a great day. Thanks for contacting Wave Support.